Myself Shashank Shalabh. I am currently working in Syntizen technology, which is located in Hyderabad. I think I got much placement, too much. I have been shortlisted for many companies, more than 20, 30 plus. My parents cried. My parents, we all three cried. We all celebrated. We had a sweet and all, and finally I am here because I have been struggling to get a job like past 2 to 3 years. So if something we have tried to achieve it, and if we don't get it very easily, then those things are very precious. So yeah, getting a job was one of my thing, and that is why I am very thankful to Masai. Have faith, have patience, because real world doesn't work like our wishes. But the thing is that it's a chance. In life you will get opportunities. It's not that whenever you want opportunities you will get it, but you will get opportunity definitely. It's upon you how you're grabbing it.